Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today I did a full face using Tarte Cosmetics. So I thought that I would show you the products that I used and at the end my thoughts, because some of them are new, some are favorites that I've used before, and I will let you know which is which. So let's go ahead and get started. As always, I just want to say if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And apparently you have to hit the notification bell as well. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. And it is such a horribly ugly day out. It is pouring rain and the humidity is 1,000,000 degrees out, so it's just wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and start with one of my absolute favorite primers. This is the Tarte Clean Slate Smoothing Primer, and it looks like this. You guys haven't seen it before, kind of like putty. And you just take a tiny little bit, and it fills in the pores like nothing else. It's like 1 minute they're there, and the next minute they are gone. So I just use them, I just put it where I have pores, and just kind of smoosh it in. So next, let's talk foundation. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. I got it in medium neutral. So let's go ahead and put that on. I've used this a few times. All right, and look, brand new beauty blender. I am going to, look how cute this little kit is. This is that kit at the Nordstrom sale. Look how big I just put this, watch this one, and look how, it's amazing to me. And then this is the cute little pill that it sits in and dries. Isn't that adorable? And then it comes with a little cleaner. Very, very cute. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I'll link all the products down below. So on one side, I'll go ahead and take a beauty blender, and on the other, I'll take a brush just so that you could see. Both work fine. And then you always get better coverage with the brush. I'm so excited because this week my grandbaby is coming from California. She's 6 months old. I'm so excited. She's growing so fast. So you just get better coverage with the brush. This is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin brush. I like this. But it's, you know, it has pretty good coverage. I could go over like this little age spot right here. Lovely little age spot. Use the beauty blender and just I have a new palette that I just recently got, and this one says don't quit your daydream. I love that, and this is a really pretty palette. It's got some beautiful browns and rust color, and I like it because it's very neutral. Start with Rock On, and I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. Ooh, that just came out way more than I thought. That's what I get for not tapping off the excess, huh? Okay, well. And I'm just gonna put this down as a nice little base. I'm gonna go in with Lovey. It's so cute. This one right here. That'll make a nice little transition color. A little bit higher up on that brow bone. Go in with Runway. I love this color. It's like a beautiful, nice little rust color. And I'm just gonna go just below Lovey. So I'm gonna get in that little crease there. I'm gonna take the darkest color, which is Work. It's this really pretty chocolatey brown. And then I'm just gonna tap that on the outer edge. Just bring it in slightly. Boss Lady right here. It's nice little shimmery gold. Why is it that the finger just works better than everything else? I'm gonna take that Rock On, that very first one, take a little bit more and just hit the upper brow bone a little bit more. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and curl these little lashes. I never used to curl my lashes, and then this lovely little lash curler, which is amazing, was in a glossy box, and it's awesome. Now I do prime my lashes, so I'm gonna do that, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. I love this primer, and I do one eye at a time. I find that it just works better. And today we are going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Y'all know it's not my holy grail, but it can do. Pretty good. There's one eye without and one eye with. Let me show you. Pull you in so that you can see. Ooh, she's got lashes. All right, I'll be right back. I'll do the other eye. All right, let's go ahead and warm up the face with a little bronzer. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. And I do not have a very strong jawline, so I'm just gonna bring it down, kind of creating a little bit of a shadow. I'm not gonna contour today, so this is kind of be my contour as well. All right, let's add a little blush. We're gonna use the Amazonian clay in the color Celebrated. There's the color there. This is such a nice neutral color. I love this. And try a new product. This is the Tarte Inner Rim Liner. So it's meant to brighten the eyes, which I need all the help I can get with that. So we're gonna put it on the bottom. That's normally where I put the NYX Silver. So I'm just gonna look down and okay, so I did one eye. It's getting darker by the minute, guys. I have no light in here. Thank goodness for a ring light, or it'd be pitch black. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom. Put a little, fill that little tear trough. And then we're gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape, and we're gonna put a little tiny dot there, right in the corner. And that's all I need. And then I just kind of bring it down along that tear trough, kind of down the nose a little bit, and then whatever's left, that's what I pull up. And go into Runway, that coppery color, or that rust color. All right, I love this. This is Goddess Glow. I tried it the other day. It's so pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. What I love about this is it's not like it's giving you that bling bling, but it's not like, you know, I am 50. I don't need to, y'all don't need to see this from outer space. But for this purpose, I'm gonna put on a little more than I normally would. Just because we're having fun today. It's springy. Why not, right? Why not, why not, why not? Just gonna bling all over, but watch. This is so pretty. I mean, I'm gonna use a clavicle. Come here, clavicle. And just look how pretty that is. Ooh, make those babies stand out. This is really beautiful. I love this. I think I'm gonna use Margs today, which is this beautiful brown color. I love it. That's it, guys. That is the full face using all Tarte Cosmetics. Let me briefly go through them and I will tell you whether you know, I like them or not. Let's start with the primer. The clean, this is amazing, guys. I swear, this, out of all this is, I use it every day. This is my favorite by far. It's like if you have one of those magnifying mirrors, do just one side and your pores just vanish. I love it. The Tarte Hydrating, or which one is this? Yeah, Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. I like this foundation. You know, I think that, pull the handy dandy mirror out. I think this is a really nice foundation. It looks nice on the skin. It's pretty. Yeah, I like it. I'm not a big fan of the applicator, but other than that. The Park Avenue Princess bronzer, again, I use this all the time. This is not anything new. Love the Amazonian clay blushes. I have many of them. They are awesome. The mascara, I have a gold standard, so it's just, I love having skincare in my well, in anything. So I love the mascara from Perricone MD. This does a very good job, certainly, but you know, my favorite is the Perricone MD. Would I buy it again? No. Let's get to that. The eyeliners, I'm sure they're great for, you know, I didn't line the, you know, like the upper lid, which I normally don't do because I have small eyes. But when I did it on the inner rim, it transferred to the bottom rim. So that's kind of a bummer, but they are very precise, but they're a little bit stiff. You know, I like a glide. So those are just okay. Let's see. The highlighter, I love this Goddess Glow. Very nice because it's not too in your face. I think that's everything. Did I cover it all? Oh, the inner liner. Inner eye liner. This is pretty cool. I took out my big giant Simply Human magnifying mirror with the light, and I really like it because it's very skin tone, so it does brighten the eyes, but I'm going to continue to use it and see if it, you know, becomes a favorite. So that's it, guys. Hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye, guys.